Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have an animal coin hunt which I've designated Hunt 27. It was basically what I do is I get all my animal coins together in a big box and I pick out about 20 to 25 for each hunt. And then I do some research on them and then bring them to you. The first coin of the hunt is a UK coin, and I'll just bring you in. This is a 2p coin. It is from Guernsey. You can just see the Guernsey shield there. It's Elizabeth II portrait, and on the back you have two cows. One right in the foreground and then one in the mid background, chewing the cud, so to speak, in a field. This coin is dated 1989 and has a mintage of 620,000. The next two coins I'll put together, showing one of each side. We have here two South Korean coins, each with a value of 500 won. That's WON. They have the character of the year and the years, the value, the date. Now these two coins are 1991 and 1999. They show the Manchurian crane in flight. So this bird here is a Manchurian crane. The 1991 mintage has a mintage of 90 million. The 1999 mintage has a mintage of 22 million. So they're highly minted coins, but still nice and interesting. Oh boy, here we go. Iceland. I have 4 of them. You'll see a quartered with 4 of the Icelandic heraldic people. One of them is Bagassi the Giant, and then there are 3 other symbols of Icelandic folklore and such like. These are 100 kroner. There are 2 of them from 2006, one is from 2007, and the last one is 1999. The flatfish that you see on the back here, or the flatfish, is actually called a lump fish. Lump as in somebody smacked you in the face and you've got a lump. The mintages for this one, for the 2006, there were 2 million. For the 2007, there were 3 million. And for the 1995, there was 6 million. Next one we need to come back in again for, oops, there we go. Oops, let's go back in, let's see if we, no, that's gone too far. Come on. Oh, come on. You need to focus. There we go. We have the coat of arms of Trinidad and Tobago. It's a 1 cent coin from 1997, and the reason that it's in the animal coin hunt is the animal depicted on the back is a hummingbird approaching a flower to get the nectar. For this 1977 coin, the mintage is 25 million. The next coin is Toga. It's a 2 centini. The gentleman on the obverse, as we've not come across him very often, is actually a lady, it's not a gentleman. I beg that person's pardon. It is Salati Tampu the Third. That is Salote, and then it's Tupou the Third. You also have the year, which is 1967, and on the back we have a tortoise, and it's called a radiated tortoise, and that's to do with the design on the shell, and the value of 1 cent. The mintage for this coin from this year, 1967, is 700,000. Let's get it the right way up. This next coin is from Peru, from South America. It's from 1969. It is known as a half sol. That's S-O-L. On this side we've got the coat of arms and the year, and then on the other side, turn it the right way round this time. Yep. We have the value of half a sol. We also have a camel, and it is a Acuna camel. That's A-C-U-N-A. The mintage for this coin for this year of 1969 is 13,890,000. Don't get many from Peru, do we? There we go. This one is South Africa. It is a 1 cent coin from 1971. Here you see the coat of arms of South Africa and the year of 1971. On the back, or on the reverse, is that the right way up? Yes it is. We have the 1 cent denomination, and we have 2 birds sitting on the twigs or on branches. These 2 birds are Cape Sparrows. The mintage for 1971 coin is 34,053,000. The next 2 coins, so we leave one with the Queen's head and one with the reverse. These are both 5 cent coins. One is from 1976 and the other is from 1978. We have a frilled sea lizard. Sorry, we have a sea lizard of some description as the coin. It's basking on the rocks. The mintage for this coin from 1976 is 6,000. So that's it's 6,000. And from 1978 is 20 million and 38,000. So there's quite a difference between the two. I think the one, they didn't print many of them, and it's come out of a collector's set, the 1976 version. So that will definitely be looked at when I do my definitely getting flipped when I finished this video. And here we go to Malta next, and this is a 3 mils coin from 1972. It's scalloped edged, and you have a leafed, how would you call it, garland I suppose, going around the top, going around both sides, and you've got the 3 mils with the 3 in the mils at the bottom of the coin. And the reverse, which is what we are looking at, gives you the country's name. It also gives you the year, which is 1972. It's got bees on honeycomb. It's got a bee on honeycomb, and it has a dolphin surround, or a stylized dolphin surround, so you've got little dolphins going around the surround. This coin is a low mintage coin. It's only 8,000 were produced this year. Again, I think it might have been from a set. Right, the next one, we go across the world to New Zealand. This is a 20-cent coin from 1984. We have the Queen's portrait on the front and the date, the year. Is it the years there? Yeah, the years there. And also the country's name is round this side here. On the reverse of the coin, we have the 20 cents, the 20, which is the value of the coin, and then we have the kiwi bird, which is one symbol of New Zealand, and of course the ferns. If you look at their rugby shirts, they have white ferns on them, so that's the white fern. The mintage for this coin from 1984 is 1,500,000. Next we have two coins of the same value from Ireland. So we have the Irish harp on the obverse, and then on the reverse we have an ox. These two coins come from 1992 and 1996. I have a mintage of 158,546,000. So I had a bit of a problem there with the camera shutting down for some reason. I'm not sure why. However, this is a Croatian 1 kuna coin from 2003. On the reverse here, on the obverse here, we have, sorry, the reverse here, we have a martin in the background, possibly a pine martin, going underneath the value of the 1 kuna of the coin, and on the obverse we have a nightingale of that coin, and the mintage for this coin was 2 million coins. The last one is marked 50H, or Haleru, and that's Haleru. It's from 1978. It is from the Czech Republic, or Czechoslovakia. What was Czechoslovakia? You have on it there the rampant lion. Whoops, there we go. The rampant lion. The 1978 mintage was 40,480,000. Now that ends this particular coin hunt. Let me just come out a little bit. Oh, the other way. There we go. The coins have now been rebagged, ready for me to store away until such time as I put them into flips, which hopefully won't be too long. If you're having a coin hunt yourself, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Bit of an appeal for me now, from me. I am currently trying to grow my channel, so if you give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so and you're inclined to subscribe to the channel, would be absolutely fantastic for me. Both of these will improve my algorithm and put me in front, and that algorithm, improved algorithm, will then put me in front of people who've not seen my videos before. I am trying to grow the channel. I'm looking at hopefully getting to 100 plus by the end of the year, and any help you can give me I'll greatly receive. And in ending, thank you for watching. I do release 4 videos a week as a minimum, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy and that you want to watch. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.